Alright guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Railroad Shorelines, guys. Thank you for watching on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad, guys. There they go, guys. There goes my best friends. There goes my brother. My brother's on the railroad, guys. I met the other brothers on the Kiamichi Railroad side. I waved at them and I gave them a thumbs up, and I also gave them a big old fist up and Texas Longhorn thing. And I also gave that train engineer a big old what he needed, and then I gave him a wave like this, and he seen it and he gave me a good train honk, and I love that. And so guys, so now pretty soon I will film my other brothers on the Queen Railroad side, but right now I'm on the Kiamichi Railroad filming my brothers here on the railroad as well, guys. So guys, welcome back, guys. I had to get me a new phone, that type of stuff, guys. So guys, I gotta pay this phone off, and then I need to get me a phone case for this thing. This thing's pretty new, so guys, and I'm sorry if some of it's a little bit blurry. I gotta figure out why it does that, but please go along with this, and then I will catch you next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. Well guys, my friends they're on the break. So my other friends you usually see are driving this train tonight, which you might know, which this one you might have seen before, and that's my buddy. So I got a lot of buddies on the Kiamichi Railroad, and I will grow more, especially on the Queen side. I will film the Queen Railroad and stuff like that, blah 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 blah. But guys, thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you guys next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad, owned by Genesee and Wyoming corporations, guys. Pretty soon I will film the western rails of the Queen Railroad and stuff like that, guys. So guys, be safe, be bold, be brave, and yes, please yield for a coming freight train, and please listen for the sign and stuff like that. It involves a railroad crossing and stuff like that, guys. Don't be a victim of an oncoming train and stuff like that, guys. So always pay attention to that, and always guys, pay attention whenever you're crossing over a 4-lane highway, especially with the media, guys. So guys, don't trust that other lane being empty. So always stop and wait for the cars to go by, because you really don't know if there's going to be a car and stuff like that, guys. If you accidentally jump down in front of one, just gas it. Do not stop. Don't let off the gas until you pass them. So guys, but don't do that anyways. But please stop at a stop sign, at a 4-way stop, including out here on the side of town here, out there on the bypass side going towards Broken Bow if you're going that way, and stuff like that, guys. So always check and make sure you're not going to pull out in front of a vehicle and stuff like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. I'll catch you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all next time. Stay tuned and catch y'all next time. Alright guys, Marshall out. Thanks for watching. Oh yes, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my new YouTube channel, and it'll help me out, and it'll help me grow and stuff like that, just like my old one. So guys, alright guys, catch you guys next time. Don't forget to rate, comment, share, and subscribe. So guys, alright guys, catch you guys later. Marshall and Ant, thank you for watching. Woo! Catch you guys later. Marshall and Ant, like I said before 3 times. So, alright guys, catch y'all next time on the hot rails of the KRR, known as Kiamichi Railroad, owned by Genesee and Wyoming corporations. Whoop! Honk honk. Alright guys, catch you guys later. Marshall and Ant. Stay tuned, and tomorrow, be making another video tomorrow. Alright, bye.